Letter. I've told you before, you're not to help your brothers. They all have to learn how to make it by themselves.
Sir.
Well, you violated the rules now. Leave.
Teacher.
Leave. Go on to the next chamber now.